Yeah, what is up? You are rocking with the one and only D Man out here feeling good. It is a beautiful night to come out here and do the things you enjoy. So on this side, D Man is gonna do the things that D Man enjoys. And that is being true to what I want to stand on. That is being true to myself. See, one thing this journey has taught me is that no matter what you got going on, man, you got to stay true to yourself and what you got going on. What's up, guys? How y'all doing tonight? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing interviews. You guys down for a quick interview? It'll be fast. You know what I'm saying? You got to keep on going. That's how it works, man. You got to be true to what you do. Yeah! So on this side, we are going to be true to the things that we want to do. That's how you win. Look, anytime you want to do something, anytime you want to go hard, you have to have that within yourself. Nobody can give that to you. You have to want to go hard. You have to want to be hard. And you have to come out here and do it, man. That's how it works. You will not get anything if you do not do anything. So on this side, we are going to do. On this side, we are going to stay true. Always. You do not lose when you are staying true to yourself. So I will stay true to myself. I will have fun in my own way. I will do what works for me. That's how you get it. And nobody can do that better than you can do it for yourself. So we're out here getting warmed up, feeling good, and we're going to stay feeling good. Yeah, what up? You were rocking with the one and only D Man. I've been doing this for a minute, and now it's time to go harder and switch up the format. So I'm going to be coming faster, harder, sharper, and shorter. But you know, the goal is to get it, man. I've been doing this for almost over 15 years, man. That's a long time. So it's time to really put my head into this and go beyond what I feel I can do. And I cannot do it without you. But it starts with me first. So I got to push myself and work hard every day. I drop so much content. If you do not know who I am Dio D-Man, D-A-Y-O D-M-A-N. Check me out, motivational speaker. I love to spread positivity and do interviews and travel around and just put good things into the world, man. We are here to get it. We are here to win. So just stay tuned for more, man, because I got a lot more on the way. I want to see you get it, and I am here to get it. Hey, look, man, if you do not push yourself, nobody else will. So let's get it.